Hey everyone, if you have been using Google Meet, you probably know that free accounts have a 60-minute limit when you are in a group call. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to get around the time limit and keep your meetings going smoothly. First, here's a good news. If you are only meeting one on one, there's actually no limit at all. So for private calls, you don't need to worry. Now, if you are hosting a group meetings, if you are hosting a group meetings, the free version will end at 60 minutes. But here's a simple trick. When the meeting ends, just restart it with the same link. Everyone can hop right back in and continue. It only takes a few seconds. For people who want longer meetings, upgrading your Google Workspace is the best option. With a paid plan, you can host meeting up to 24 hours straight. And if you would rather stick with free tools, you can also use alternative like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Jitsi Meet, which give you more flexibility depending on your needs. If you don't want to use Google Meet, you can use Zoom or Microsoft Teams. You can take a class up to 24 hours straight in this application. And so that's how you get around the Google Meet, time limit. Restart the meeting, upgrade to Workspace, or use a free alternative. Quick, easy, and you will never caught off again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.